In old wars, danger came from the front. You could see it, you could hear it, you could prepare for it. But today, danger does not move. It watches. This is not the story of a new weapon. It is the story of the moment. The sky stopped being neutral. In modern warfare, drones did not simply change how soldiers are killed. They changed how soldiers exist. Silence is no longer safety. Silence means exposure. Above you, a machine, patient, tireless, waiting, not for movement, but for a decision. The irony is brutal. Most battlefield drones were never designed for war. They began as civilian technology. Photography, mapping, recreation. Yet on the battlefield, a soldier trained at extraordinary cost now faces a machine cheaper than the device in his pocket. This is not innovation. This is imbalance. Field reports describe more than casualties. They describe exhaustion, paranoia, mental collapse. The drone does not need to strike. It only needs to make exposure permanent. And in that moment, the sky became a threat. This is not about nations. Every modern military now uses drones. The logic is identical. The question is no longer who has drones, but who can operate while being watched. What began above individual soldiers did not end there, because the real vulnerability was higher. The true danger was not the drone itself. It was blindness. Radar systems built at the cost of billions became ineffective against machines costing hundreds. In the next episode, we enter the heart of air defense command centers to understand why the sky became invisible. If you believe wars are decided by firepower alone, it may be time to rethink Stratos warfare.